General Hospital spoilers. Britt rejects Jason's escape help. Can't leave miracle drug doses behind? General Hospital, GH. Spoilers reveal that Britt Westbourne, Kelly Thiebaud, seems poised to reject Jason Morgan's, Steve Burton, escape help and insist she can't leave her miracle drug doses behind. What will Jason do if Britt turns him away and says she can't go back to Port Charles? Anna Devane, Finola Hughes, raised the possibility that Britt may have been coerced into helping with whatever project that the Five Poppies Resort is a front for. Since Anna isn't so sure Britt is there of her own free will, Jason is determined to get to the bottom of this and save Britt if need be. Jason will indeed show up at the resort soon and most likely expect to play the hero, but it won't be that simple. It looks like Britt has indeed been forced to help with this project in exchange for the miraculous treatments she's receiving. In GH's August 11th episode, Pascal, Mark Forget, put Britt's latest medication dose in the lab to entice her to get back in there. Of course, Pascal also made it clear that if Britt doesn't carry out her lab work and get results, then her medication could be withheld completely. It seems obvious that Britt's meds are some sort of treatment for her Huntington's disease, so there's a lot riding on those doses. Britt can't just walk away, so she may give Jason updates on the tricky situation once they reunite. Despite Jason's desire to get Britt out of danger, he'll know what's at stake and may have to come up with another solution. Perhaps this could lead to Jason helping Britt steal the formula for the miracle drug so that it can be replicated elsewhere. Maybe Jocelyn Jacks, Eden McCoy, and Vaughn's Bryce Durfee digging on the property could prove helpful, too. Since Jocelyn saved Britt's life, it'd be nice if she could return the favor somehow. Whatever the case, Britt has to return to PC eventually, so Jason may resolve to figure out this medication mess and make sure that happens. General Hospital spoilers say Jason and Britt's reconnection will come with some twists and turns, so don't miss all the jaw-dropping news and romantic moments ahead. Be sure to make CDL your go-to GH source for all the exciting General Hospital spoilers, news, and updates you need. Port Charles has seen its fair share of high-stakes drama, but the latest twist is turning into something that could change lives far beyond the hospital walls. Jason Morgan, ever the stoic protector, has been working in the shadows to get Britt Westbourne out of danger. With threats closing in and a narrow window to make their move, he's ready to whisk her away to safety. But Britt has a complication Jason didn't anticipate. She's not going anywhere without the precious doses of a groundbreaking, experimental drug that could mean the difference between life and death for countless patients. For weeks, Britt has been walking a tightrope, balancing her work as chief of staff, her moral compass, and the secret knowledge that she's been part of a project involving a so-called miracle drug. The medication, developed in a hush-hush trial, has shown astonishing results in early patients. But there's a catch. It's in dangerously short supply, and the people who control it aren't exactly the sharing type. Britt knows if she leaves now without securing the remaining doses, they could vanish into the wrong hands, or be destroyed altogether. Jason's plan is simple. Get Britt out, regroup, and live to fight another day. But simple isn't a word Britt recognizes when lives are on the line. When he urges her to pack up and trust him, she refuses, her eyes full of determination and the unshakable resolve that's made her both admired and feared in the hospital corridors. If I leave without those doses, I might as well leave a dozen patients to die, she tells him, her voice low but unyielding. Jason, of course, understands the stakes. He's seen Britt's softer side, the one that fights fiercely for the people she cares about. But he also knows that every second they hesitate increases the danger. The people after Britt and the drug won't hesitate to make their move. This sets up a tense moral standoff between them. Jason's focus on immediate survival versus Britt's insistence on protecting the miracle drug. It's a clash of instincts, his to shield her from harm, hers to protect others no matter the personal cost. Complicating matters, rumors swirl that the drug may not be entirely above board. Could Britt's commitment to it be clouded by her emotional investment in the project, or is she seeing a truth others are too afraid to acknowledge? Either way, the decision will define their next move and possibly their futures. Viewers can expect heart-pounding moments as Jason tries to navigate the dangerous path ahead. Will he risk everything to help Britt retrieve the doses before they escape, or will he be forced to drag her away against her will? And if the drug is as powerful as she claims, just how far will their enemies go to get it? One thing is certain. In Port Charles, miracles don't come without a price, and Britt Westbourne is willing to pay it, even if it means defying Jason Morgan himself.